Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove community guideline warning with policy training on YouTube latest update. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. In my channel, I have a active community guideline strike warning. I will remove this community guideline warning by taking policy training. You may click on warning here. You will find warning. Your content was removed due to violation of our community guideline. And second option is you have received a warning. You can take a policy training which will remove the warning after 90 days. Okay, now you will find here an option, take action. Click on take action. Now the summary of your violation, and this is the strike warning and visibility. The content has been removed and monetization illegal. Okay, now click on begin review, and this is the policy page. You can read policy from here. Just click on next. Now action taken. You will find take a policy training and click on take training. Now scroll down, the harmful and dangerous, and you should read this content. I'm just clicking on next, and you have to answer this question. Monali post a video explaining about age restriction on YouTube content. She said she found a website where you can view all age restricted content on YouTube without being logged in, and show people how to access that website. Is it violation or not? Just click on no, it is not. Now you can check your answer. Click on check. Look, this is we don't allow content that encourage other to violate our terms of service. That means your answer is wrong. So click on try again. Now click on yes, it is. Then click on check. That's right. Okay. Now click on next. The second question here. In this way, you just answer all these 7 questions. I'm answering this. Just check. That's correct. Then next. Just click on yes, it is. Check. Wrong answer. Click on try again. Then no. Then click on check. That's correct. Click on next. Next question. Yes, it is. Check. That's correct. Then next. Question number 5. Just answer one and check. That's right. Click on next. Now, another question. Just Click one answer and click next. That means wrong. Click another answer. Check. That's right. Okay. Now click next. This is the last question, I hope. Yes, last question. Just select all correct answer. No. Try again. No. Try again. This one. Yes. This one is right. Now click on next. Nice work. You have completed the training. What's next? Warning will expire on January 24, 2024. And if you violate the harmful or dangerous policy again before this warning expire, you will get a strike. So be careful. Do not violate policy before this warning expire. And if you violate a different policy, you will get another warning with the opportunity to take another training. Okay, now close training. Okay, now click on close. I'm just reloading page again. Now click on warning here. Look here, new message, training completed October 26, 2023. Hopefully in this way, you can remove the community guideline warning within next 90 days. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.